What's features highlight? About UGarden upgraded portable toilet for camping. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Design with soft seat. UGarden stainless steel portable toilet with soft seat, which has a stainless steel frame, rust resistance, and durability. It only weighs 4.9 pounds, four-legged frame supports up to 350 pounds capacity. Equipped with rubber feet which prevent slipping and better stability. This portable toilet seat is suitable for various ages. Perfect chair height will provide you with the optimal relaxation and comfort. Design and easy to carry. This portable toilet's folding design lets you no need to worry about taking up space. Just fold it and fit the portable toilet into your car's storage or compartment, then take it to anywhere you want to go. This portable and lightweight folding toilet is featured for long car trips, hiking, fishing, park festivals, camping or beach nights. With degradable toilet bags. The portable camping toilet comes with 8-gallon disposable toilet bags, made from plant starches and contain no polyethylene, pure nature, and safe for the environment. When composted, toilet replacement bags will return to the earth as H2O, CO2. This portable toilet's for camping, designed for people in need, ideal for those places where there are no toilets. To use and clean up, put the bag through the plastic ring, then turn the bag out and wrap the plastic ring with the mouth of bag. Place the plastic ring with the toilet bag on the soft seat. After using, rinse the seat with water or wipe with paper as needed to keep clean. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.